Welcome back to another unboxing video. It's like Christmas around here this week. It's our second unboxing video this week. We've been very fortunate. So I'll start with the little things that are a little less exciting probably. But we have some needs that we've had for a while that I finally have the chance to get us. There's some bubble wrap for people to play with. That's always a good time. I got us a tripod mount for our phones. So now when students need to use their phone, they can make it stable on one of our tripods. So that's a good thing to have. What's in this bag? $96 of material in this bag. Isn't that crazy? Video stuff's expensive, but it's replacing some very important parts that are like 15 years old and finally falling apart. They're just these little rubber straps that are used to hold the tripod legs on our dollies. But the ones we have are all dry rotted out and breaking and brittle. So I got new ones, so now we can run all three of our dollies at the same time, so everything can be fancy and moving and smooth. So that's good. So there's basically $100 worth of those. Your seats are a good thing. That box is done. This is the really fun thing we got this time around. Another big need for us is we just don't have a lot of good tripods. As they get old and, you know, they get used a lot. And we just got that really sweet new XF400 camera, and I thought it deserved a tripod. So, Manfrotto. This is actually the updated version of the tripods we currently use in class, but it's newer and much fancier. And so this is going to be fun for students to have one with absolutely no broken switches or broken plastic pieces. It's beautiful, and it's got this fun red little bling going on here, so it's a little fancy. It's a nice aluminum tripod. It's a Manfrotto. Welcome to the big leagues. Thank you for joining us for another example of unboxing, and check us out, like us, subscribe us, and follow along at Rambler Productions.